Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. In this video, I will show you guys how to get updates on iPhone lock screen. Updates like battery percentage, weather, alarm, etc. It's still in beta, but it's working perfectly fine. And we will use a shortcut to make your iPhone look like this. But first, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon, so you don't miss any update from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now, to get updates on your iPhone lock screen, you need to download a shortcut from Discord. I will mention the link in the description. You have to join the Discord. Now let's go to the website, and over here you will find beta. Tap on it and then join beta. It will take you to the Discord link, then accept the invite. Now go to welcome page. Over here there are some rules and regulations, just read them. Then over here go to download. It will take you to the shortcut. Just tap on get shortcut. It will take 10 to 15 seconds. As it's a big shortcut, so just wait a little and then it will be added to the shortcut app. Once it's added, just tap on shortcut and then it will ask for few permissions. Just allow them, like location, photos, etc. So just allow them all and then it will stop. That means your shortcut has run successfully. Now if you go to your lock screen, you will get weather updates, lows and highs, temperature, and also over here you will get these two more updates. With this really cool feature, you can change your wallpaper by running your shortcut again. But before that, if you go to shortcut and tap on three dots, over here if you want, you can change the position of top two updates like library, sunrise, whatever you want. And also you can create an automation to run this shortcut automatically. Just create new automation, then go to time of the day. Let's select sunrise over here and over here daily. Now tap on next. Then in add action, search for run shortcuts. Then select the 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐸 shortcut which you have installed just now. Then tap on next and make sure to disable ask before running. Then tap on done and now you are good to go. Now daily your wallpaper will change automatically with latest weather updates. So that's how you can get updates in your iPhone lock screen just like that. Link of the website and shortcut will be mentioned in the description. Let me know what do you think about this feature in the comment box. And that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.